Winston the Beard. I know you can't see me because it's the middle of the night, but I had to try and video this because I've never seen one before, and I got quite excited. I hope it comes out on the video, but if not, sorry. See if you can see it. The little green flashy light is my very first firefly. Terrible footage, but you can see the light. About the size of my fingernail. I've never seen one before. I know most people back home won't have seen one before. So, there we go. A little bit of nature. A nature bonus, 3 days in. I did put him in a jam jar, and I'm now going to set him free again. Or her, I don't know, I'm going to have to do a bit of reading. Cheerio.